Hey everyone, it's Amber Spotted Elk at the Paper Owl and welcome to my channel. Today we kind of have a different DIY in store for you. I'm so excited about this project. It turned out so amazing and it is a faux fireplace. So we didn't have a fireplace and we just recently moved. Our previous home had a fireplace and it was something I was really missing. But of course, building an actual fireplace in your home can be really expensive, and it's not necessarily the fire aspect of it that I wanted. It was being able to decorate this kind of focal piece in your home. And of course, I love decor. That's what my channel is all about. And so I started looking into how to build a faux fireplace, and let me take that back. There weren't so many, but there were a lot of different options. Some of them were really, really complex and a lot more expensive, and then some of them were a lot less in the design aspect and in cost. And I hope that I found kind of a happy medium as far as the design piece and cost as well. We were able to do it for really inexpensive, and it was so simple, you guys. Like, I was a little bit intimidated by it, but once we got started, we were able to finish so quickly. It honestly could be a project you finish in one day if you've got a full day to work with. So I definitely recommend trying this out if it's something that you've thought about or something that you would like in your home. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. Comment below. Let me know if this is something that you would try out in your home. And as always, if you'd like to become part of the Paper Owl family, hit that subscribe button, hit the bells to get notified every single time that I upload. And without further ado, let's build this fireplace.
Okay, so starting out, I found this free not firewood, but free wood. Um, just down the street from my neighborhood, there was a sign that said free on it. They had used it for some sort of like music desk, but this was going to be perfect for the inside part of the fireplace. So we cut it down, and you can see there it is. We added a piece of plywood to the back, but it just created the perfect in-depth area for where like firewood would go in the fireplace. Now I grabbed I grabbed one 2x12, and then some 2x4s, and then we created this triangle brace. So it's got a brace down there at the bottom in the shape of a triangle, and then one here at the top. And so that's going to be the top of our fireplace. Um, we'll put some plywood down to finish that, but it is attached to the inside piece that we had cut down from that free wood. And then those 2x12s was one piece cut in half to make the big edges of our mantelpiece. And then that piece of plywood will go on top to finish off the top of the fireplace. This was so easy, you guys. Like, I'm not putting particular dimensions because everyone's house is going to be different. If you want any, please let me know. But we finished off putting a piece of plywood in between those 2x12s. You can see we started putting the plywood on the top there. It's not attached yet. We've got one other little piece. And then I'll use joint compound in any areas where there's nails or little crevices. Like this piece we'll have here. My husband did help me with some of this, but honestly, not with a whole lot. I did most of the designing and everything myself. I took the little trim, and this is just little, some of it is the plastic kind of PVC material and some of it is wood. The plastic was cheaper, so I ended up getting that to make the little windows on the side. And then I used a piece of molding for the very front piece there. And you can see I took the joint compound and covered any imperfections to smooth it out. And then yeah, I made the little windows on the side there with the trim. And then I took that trim on top. And then I just painted it. So it's all white except for the inside black where like the fire wood would go in a real fireplace. But you guys, like I said, this took me less than 2 days. You could finish it in a day if you have a full day to work on it. And not even. Like you could do this in 4 hours. It was so simple and so easy, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Our home previously had a wood burning stove in this area, so we had the brick backdrop and that stone down at the bottom. So this would make a perfect place for a fireplace for us. But you can absolutely recreate those things in your home or put it up against a wall. Ours is in a corner, but like I said, you can put this up against a wall as well and recreate the same sort of thing. You would just kind of have to do sides on it in that case. But I am so happy with this, and I'm just so in love with how easy it was. This is how I have it decorated for the fall season, and this is exactly what I wanted it for, was just kind of this main focal piece, a nice place that can really add a lot of touches to your home. And it was just so simple. It's not like super intricate, but it's got those little side windows. It's got the molding at the top, and those things really finish it off. And all in all, with wood included and paint, I paid $60. Like I said, we found some free wood, which search on Facebook Marketplace wherever you can. You can find free wood places because it can get expensive if you do use all brand new wood. So try and find some free wood to help you along. Like I said, we did both. We bought some, we found some, and I'm just so in love with this, you guys. Like I said, dimensions are going to be different for everyone, but if you have any questions, please let me know. Please give this a big thumbs up if you like it. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting.